In this way you can find things that are in your blind spot, problems that you were completely unaware of.
Don't fall in love with the solution, fall in love with the problem.
It's not just creativity, but it's structured creativity.
We're here in Sofia to do a training for design thinking. We have around 20 amazing people from different countries, from Bulgaria, Romania, Kosovo, North Macedonia, Albania. Design thinking is a method or approach how to tackle different challenges and problems, and is a great way to kind of connect with your audience or clients, users, whoever, and really base your solutions on real needs, wants, and create solutions that actually people really want, that maybe even spark joy, therefore like help you become more successful in your with your medium or in your business.
So this stuff is really spreading in the media industry. It really has improved, I think, us as an organization and also me as a teacher.
Transitions has gotten involved with design thinking for a couple different reasons. One, for our own benefit, because we think it's really valuable to use it to get to know our audiences better. We've also tried to include in different projects that we're running, because too often donors only want to fund grand, big projects, and they don't want to give smaller amounts of money for different media outlets to experiment with testing or prototyping or anything like that. So this is a great opportunity for media organizations to test prototypes and then maybe go back to a donor and say, look, we tried it, it worked, and now could you give us even more money?
Design thinking is not just creativity, but it's structured creativity, and the feedback from the clients or the users is one of the most important parts during the whole process.
This is quite an interesting method for creative thinking when you start from a problem the user would have, which is not usually the way you generate ideas. And in this way you can find things that are in your blind spot, problems that you were completely unaware of.
Workshop was really concentrated, packed with information, and I will go back at home with this phrase that I loved very much. Don't fall in love with the solution, fall in love with the problem, because usually we journalists, we jump directly to the conclusion and to the solution and never take time to really think things through before launching a product. We often think that we know everything about it, and now we got a step backwards to better analyze what we are launching and if that product will help our readers or, I don't know, public customers.
Media.